This is a brand new 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a remote start feature, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.